Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is all about using teamwork.com for employee recognition and reward management. Straight away, let's dive into the main process. The first step is to create a new project. This is where you will be managing your employee recognition and rewards. You do this by clicking on the New Project button on the homepage. This is a crucial step because a project acts as a central hub for all your recognition and reward activities. Now that we've done that, the next step is to add tasks to your project. Each task can be an action related to recognizing an employee or managing a reward. To add a task, click on the Add Task button in the project, type in the task description, and assign it to a team member. Adding tasks helps to keep track of all the activities related to employee recognition and rewards in one place. The reason we do this is to ensure that no action or activity related to employee recognition is overlooked. It provides a systematic way of managing recognition and rewards. Next up, you need to use the messaging feature. This feature is a great way to publicly recognize your employees' achievements. You can post a message in the project that all members can see. To do this, click on the Messages tab in your project and write your message. This helps us because public recognition can boost an employee's morale and motivation. Let me explain why this matters. Public recognition not only increases the recognized employee's motivation, but also encourages other employees to perform better. The final step is to make use of the Time feature to track the time spent on each task. This can help determine if the recognition or reward is commensurate with the effort put in by the employee. Click on the Log Time button next to each task to track the time. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By tracking time, you're ensuring fairness and transparency in your recognition and reward system. To wrap things up, using teamwork.com for employee recognition and reward management is all about creating a project, adding tasks related to recognition and rewards, using the messaging feature for public recognition, and the time feature to ensure fairness. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you find it useful.